Hello. Today you're going to learn about the brand new Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Payables agent. It's one of the latest AI agents we offer as standard with Business Central. No templates, all levering AIs, OCR, and process automation. I'm Andrew Byrne from ERP 365 in Auckland, and we're a Business Central ERP specialist company, helping companies get the most from Business Central. If you're an AP person paid by the hour, this functionality is probably bad news. Now, Business Central customers can receive vendor invoices via email, PDFs attached, and have the Business Central's payable agents prepare automatically purchase invoice ready for posting. The AI agent completes all of the admin work, including displaying the PDF in a BC fact box, matching lines to GL accounts, adding deferrals and other matching criteria established from previous purchase invoice you've processed. In April, this will also include matching with open purchase orders. In the next few minutes, let me show you how easy it is to set up and have running. So here we are, we're going to set up the Payables agent. The first thing we do is select the Payables agent setup in the top right. We do need to activate this agent. And this is very important to mention. This is a standard governance framework built into Business Central to manage these agents. And it guides you through a robust process to make sure you're in control, you know what the agent's doing. In this particular case, we're selecting the email address that we want the agent to use. It's very important that that email address is within the same tenant within your environment that Business Central is running. We then tell the agent to monitor that particular inbox and we update it. Those screens that you saw there are very much part of the standard framework to manage agents. And we do need to accept some terms and conditions for this agent to run. There are some fees associated with this. If you'd like to know more about those fees and how they work, please email me. Just send an email to hello@erp365.nz. I'll be happy to help you out. So once the agent is actually set up and running, we'll just close that setup component. And we're then going to be taken back to our main role center. In the main role center, you'll see we've got a payables agent and it's got a little red 1 on it. That's indicating it's received one invoice from one of our vendors, and that's waiting for us to review. Because we're, I guess, a little bit skeptical about these agents when they run for the first time, there's quite a bit of just checking and validation that we're doing manually. And this can be automated later, but we really want to see what the agent is doing and grow our confidence with how they actually run. You can see I'm eyeballing the invoice that the vendor sent through, and on this particular case, I'm happy that that's actually a valid invoice. It's not something bogus that's been sent through. There are other checks and balances that Business Central is doing in the background, so it's a very robust system. Once we've clicked through the various checkpoints in this particular agent, it's going to prepare a draft invoice for us. So you see in this particular case, it's actually prepared a draft invoice, which is looking pretty familiar to any Business Central user. You'll notice on the right-hand side of my pane, I've actually got a visual of the invoice that we validated before. So we've always got that available in a database to refer and go back to. That stays with the invoice. And you'll see you've got 4 lines that it's created. And I'll go through these 4 lines. They're pretty smart. In fact, I'll just talk you through them. There's an allocation line. It's actually looked at logo designs and determined that we've actually allocated that using an allocation account. So the cost is spread across multiple departments using dimensions in Business Central. It's found a mouse pad and assigned it to the correct GL account. It's found a prepaid vendor lease for 12 months. And it's been smart enough to actually set that up with a deferral pattern of 1 year. And it's also matched some shipping fees on that. So very smart in terms of how it actually works, what documents it creates. Once obviously you confirm this, it automatically creates a full purchase document, purchase invoice within Business Central, and you can post that document. So there you go. Within a few minutes, we set it up and we processed our first purchase invoice. Thank you for your time.